There's some that are running around town telling us that we're 90% residential and 10% commercial, and you'll never be able to afford those services if we don't get to 80-20. That's what they'll tell you. That's what they use as a scare tactic. Well, the reality of it is that based on the tax collections for 2016, we're actually 83-17 already. So we're already there. And we're actually, in 2012, we were 84-16, the same exact residential to commercial breakdown as League City. So League City has 100,000 residents or more, and they have the same commercial residential tax base that we have. So if they can afford it, we can. So for those that think that we're 90-10, they're actually out there proposing that we increase commercial development by 100%. They want to double it, right? They want to go from 10% to 20%. That's a 100% increase. That's doubling what we have. Well, if we double what we have, we're going to be 66-34, which is actually the breakdown of Pearland. And here's what I would stress the most about this particular conversation is don't be fooled by a politician that will tell you he's doing it because it will relieve your tax burden. Because what happens when you over-commercialize communities, especially near residential areas, you devalue those properties. If diversifying the tax base and bringing in commercial property would actually lower the tax base to the citizens, I would suggest you go ask the citizens of Pearland how that's working. Their taxes are 40-50% higher than ours. Their commercial breakdown is double what ours is. So don't let them tell you that we can't afford the services. Don't let them tell you that it is being brought in to reduce your tax burden. Ask them, is it going to appreciate my property value or depreciate my property value? Is it going to aesthetically keep our community the way it is, the way we like it? Or is it going to devalue our community and bring in things that we don't want? Because that will happen.